Curious about the best ways to get more views on YouTube? You're a dedicated YouTuber with dreams of hitting millions of views. But if you've been itching to crack the code to boost your video visibility and engage a wider audience, you're in for a treat. Stick around and let's dive into the strategies that'll have your view count soaring in no time. Number 1. Opt for BOGY Thumbnails. YouTube reports that 9 out of 10 highly viewed videos on the platform feature a customized thumbnail. YouTube emphasizes the significance of thumbnails, stating that thumbnails are usually the first thing viewers see when they find one of your videos. The key question arises, how can you design a thumbnail that truly stands out? The answer lies in BOGY Thumbnails. BOGY Thumbnails are characterized by the strategic use of 4 distinct colors: blue, orange, green, and yellow. Why does this matter? Take a glance at YouTube and you'll observe that the platform predominantly features the colors red, black, and white. Consequently, if your thumbnail mirrors these common colors, your video may blend into the background. By adopting BOGY Thumbnails, your videos break through the visual monotony, capturing immediate attention. A practical example is 5-Minute Crafts, boasting over 74 million subscribers, which frequently incorporates a combination of blue and yellow in its thumbnails. While a dash of red, white, and black can be incorporated into your thumbnail, it is advisable to refrain from making them the primary colors. Number 2. Implement this proven video description template. YouTube has officially acknowledged that your video descriptions play a crucial role in informing YouTube's algorithms about your video content. The initial lines of your description hold immense significance. Specifically, it's essential to incorporate your target keyword within the first 1-2 sentences, since YouTube places greater emphasis on keywords at the beginning of descriptions. Ensuring the inclusion of your target keyword early on is vital, as the initial lines of your description appear in YouTube search results. If this snippet is captivating, more users are likely to click on your video. Furthermore, some viewers read your description after landing on your video page. Hence, it's crucial that the content above the Show More section effectively promotes your video. Following this, provide a concise 150-word outline detailing what viewers will learn from your video. Don't hesitate to delve into specific details and use keywords relevant to the content you want your video to rank for. This aids YouTube in comprehending the essence of your video. Lastly, incorporate links in your description, a tip endorsed by YouTube itself. The objective is to direct viewers to your website and social media channels. Number 3. Enhance your video title. Click-through rate (CTR).
Descriptions, like titles, are a valuable piece of information. They help viewers decide if they want to watch your video, but they also let YouTube's algorithms know what your video is all about.
The significance of your video title cannot be overstated. It greatly influences the success of your video. According to YouTube's internal data, your title can be the deciding factor for the overall performance of your video. To optimize your title, consider adding brackets or parentheses at the end, as suggested by an industry study conducted by HubSpot. This tactic, proven to increase clicks by 33%, was initially observed in blog post titles but has proven effective for YouTube videos as well. Incorporating a number into your title is another effective strategy. This could represent the number of tips or strategies covered, the current year, steps in a how-to video, weight loss or lifting achievements, or any other relevant number for your video content. Finally, aim for titles within the 40-50 character range. A study by Justin Briggs found that videos with titles under 50 characters performed best in YouTube search results. This concise approach ensures that your title is impactful and engaging for potential viewers. 4. Increase your suggested video views. Thriving channels often generate significant views through suggested video recommendations. To understand, suggested videos are related video recommendations that YouTube promotes alongside the video you're currently watching. Surprisingly, suggested video can attract more views than YouTube search results. How can you boost views through suggested video? Employ a strategy of using the same tags as your competitors. According to YouTube, the platform utilizes your video content metadata, such as your title, description, and tags to determine suggested video rankings. Aligning your tags with those of a popular video enhances the likelihood of your video appearing alongside it, potentially attracting a larger audience. 5. Optimize video tags. Understanding the significance of tags in video SEO is crucial, as YouTube relies on them to comprehend your video's subject matter. Firstly, prioritize your main keyword. This is straightforward. Place your primary keyword as your first or second tag. For instance, if your target keyword is link building, make sure it's one of your initial tags. Next, introduce variations. Sprinkle in several alternative forms or variations of your main keyword. Lastly, include 1-2 tags that encapsulate your video's overarching category. These broad keywords aid YouTube in grasping the overall theme and category of your video. In my video, I utilized 3 comprehensive tags: SEO, online marketing, and digital marketing. 6. Promote videos on Quora, Reddit, and forums. Leverage online communities as excellent platforms to showcase your YouTube videos. These communities are valuable because their members often pose inquiries that align with the content of your videos, offering an opportunity for engagement. For instance, if you come across a Reddit thread where someone is asking about something and you have a video addressing that topic, you can share the link in the discussion. I personally employed this strategy to promote one of my videos on Quora, resulting in a boost of high-quality views for my newly relisted content. Number 7. Optimize your videos for Google search rankings. Securing a spot for your videos in Google search results can result in a significant influx of additional views. Achieving visibility on Google goes beyond aiming for the top position on YouTube. A study conducted by Stone Temple Consulting revealed that 55.2% of YouTube videos appearing in Google search results differed from the top-ranking videos on YouTube's own platform. For instance, when you search for advanced keyword research on YouTube, specific videos are prominently displayed. However, performing the same search on Google may yield different results, with 2 out of 3 videos missing from the top positions. To enhance your video's likelihood of ranking on Google, follow these steps. First, say your keyword out loud in your video. 2. Upload a transcript, closed captions, of your video to YouTube. This ensures that Google can comprehend the entirety of your video's content. Number 8. Enhance video engagement with comments, likes, and subscriptions. While the number of views is a key factor in the YouTube algorithm, user engagement holds equal importance. To boost engagement on your videos, a straightforward approach is to actively encourage viewers to interact. One effective strategy is to explicitly ask viewers to engage with your video, particularly by prompting them to leave comments. Consider concluding your video by inviting viewers to share their thoughts and opinions in the comments section. This simple call to action can significantly enhance the overall engagement metrics of your content. Number 9. Enhance your channel's session time. While audience retention and watch time are undeniably important, neither holds as much weight as session time. Let me break it down for you. Session time, also referred to as session watch time, represents the overall duration someone spends on YouTube after watching your video. This metric is highly valued by YouTube. In their own words, YouTube emphasizes the dual objectives of their search and discovery system, helping viewers find the videos they want to watch and maximizing long-term viewer engagement. If a viewer watches your video but promptly exits YouTube, it negatively impacts your channel's session time. Conversely, if the viewer stays on YouTube after watching your content, your session time receives a positive boost. The most effective strategy to improve session time is to prominently feature your best performing videos on your channel page. This ensures that viewers are exposed to content that encourages prolonged engagement. A notable example is YouTuber Evan Carmichael, who replaced his conventional channel trailer with one of his popular videos to enhance session time. Number 10. Maximize views with an optimized end screen. Boosting YouTube views through your end screen is a strategic move. Follow these steps to make the most of it. Start by selecting a high-performing video from your channel. Navigate to YouTube Studio and identify a video that has garnered substantial views in the past 90 days. Then, identify another video from your channel that would be enticing for viewers to watch after they finish viewing your popular video. Highlight this content at the end of your video to encourage continued engagement. If you can follow these steps, then surely you are going to see more views for your videos. Follow all the steps for your every single video and be consistent. Success will be yours.